All right, Pete here with Small Business Resource Center. I just wanted to give a little update with Pfizer, of course, because that is big right now in the news. The main reason is because the stock has shot up, it went down. Pfizer has announced $1.3 billion of a vaccine that is 90% effective. Most vaccines are not 90%, they're 50 to 60% effective. So when you're looking at a 90% effective rate and them being first to market, I'm expecting their stock to go through the roof. It actually shot up a little bit, almost to $42, then it dipped to 38. So I'm showing Jim Cramer's or my reaction to Jim Cramer's video because he says to sell it. Check it out.
Choose free cancellation on Hotels.com because no one knows what the future holds. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Anything else? We're bald.
Jim, I'm seeing quite a jump today in Pfizer stock and BioNTech stock. Do you think that investors really should be buying these stocks today?
Well, look, I think that Pfizer isn't going to make a lot of money off the vaccine. If I were in Pfizer, I would sell half right now and then bet that somebody upgrades it tomorrow, and I would sell the other half. Pfizer should not be up like this. The only drug stocks that should be up like this would be drug stocks like AbbVie, because what AbbVie is about is going to...
All right, so one thing I want to explain with the stock market, if you did buy it at that higher, 40s, is don't sell it. That's my opinion. Now, keep in mind this is for entertainment purposes only, but I want to explain my concept. First of all, let's just say you bought a bunch of these pens. When you bought these pens, somebody said they're worth $5. Now, a week later, somebody said, hey, they're only worth $4. Well, if you sell them, you're going to lose 20% or $1 every time you sell a pen. But if somebody said, hey, these pens are actually going to be in demand in a couple of weeks, I think they're going to sell for $10 for a pen. Well, you can sell them now and lose money, or you could wait a short amount of time. And if they are worth $10 because people really want these pens, then of course you would double your money. So you don't make or lose any money until you sell and have cash in your account. So you want to keep that in mind. When it comes to the advice that Pfizer is not really worth anything when they're going to have about $25 billion in sales, more than they normally have, I would have to disagree with that. I don't know what your thoughts are. And when you're talking about the market, I always like to say it gets manipulated by a lot of people. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you've been on those pump and dump websites where they tell you, buy this stock, it goes up really quick and then it goes down and you lose money. That's usually because of the fact that the people giving advice are giving bad advice that profits them, or they're just stupid people. But either way, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not giving information to buy or sell any stocks or securities. Take this for what it's worth. But listen to my opinion and kind of think about it. Make a decision of what you want to do yourself. All right, it's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center. Smash the like button if this helped you. Let me know what you're invested in, whether it's Pfizer or anything else. And Bione also is a partner of Pfizer. I know I haven't talked about them, but their stock has gone up more. I'm just not sure in the very short term or long run which one would honestly go up more. Keep in mind, Pfizer's the main company, and Bione is smaller cap. That's why I think it moves quicker. But in the long run, Pfizer is going to be in control of everything. That's why I'm focused on Pfizer personally. All right. Thanks for subscribing and have a great day.